Mila, are you still sleeping? Wake up, Mila.
Mom sleeps a little.
No, it's time to go to school. You have a class test at school today.
I forgot about the class exam today.
What happened, Mila? What are you thinking while lying down?
I'm coming, Mom, you go.
It will be ready and on the breakfast table in 20 minutes.
Okay, Mom. If I don't brush my teeth quickly, my mother will scold me again. How should I write in today's exam? I have to find a way. But what a way? Idea, I found a way. I will cheat on today's exam.
If you don't come down now, Mila, I'll beat you.
I have to go to school and plan the rest.
I will drop Mila off at school while I go to the office.
Dad, take me with you.
Leo, your father will go to the office.
Mila, why did you come without your school uniform?
I woke up lotta today, that's why. Because my uniform hasn't been washed yet.
If school was off yesterday, why didn't you clear this form?
The washing machine in our house is broken.
Mila, hurry up. It's time for class. After 5 minutes, Mila, where is your school uniform? Ma'am, I woke up late today, so Elle didn't have time to study. You don't know the school rules. You will be punished. Madam, I woke up late today. Mila, you are a student. What are you doing with the HWs I gave you? Madam, I don't remember. I have to suffer with you for this.